my name's Nick. I'm here with Scafidi Motors, once again selling a nice another specialty sports car. 1967 Dodge Dart, dragster, drag ready, street ready, pro street, and here she is. 1967 Dodge Dart, mint condition, 73,600 original miles. Motor recently painted, original 383 stroker, boarded out. Original matching number engine, all matching numbers, original window sticker, one owner car. We're letting this go for $7,900, folks. I see them on eBay for $8,000. We're letting them go for $7,900. Drag ready. Drag tuner FX. Drag seats. Everything in this, folks. For BMM shift kit Transco. 3-speed drag racing tranny, 373 rear end, 12 bolt rear end, all race ready, nitrous oxide, double pumper, 4-barrel Holley carburetor, auto track, speed racer. Let's go to roll cage in it, rust free car, everything shuts, brand new BF Goodwrench radial tires. Almost a rust-free car, dude. I've never seen a 67, any kind of car this clean, as rust-free as this one. Very nice. Very clean. I'm going to go ahead and start the vehicle up. The hood is, the hood is right there on for the vehicle. And I'm going to go ahead and come inside the vehicle, start the vehicle up. And then we can take it for a little test drive so you can see how fast the car is. No smoke, no leaks. Make sure you know the tranny works good. Car starts, and should start. Sometimes it does. That hasn't been started all morning. But a nice car. Everything works on the car. Even the radio works. Listen to jams and stuff in the morning. Do that. BMM shift kit. Go out to the motor. You can hear the motor run. No issues on the motor at all. No issues. Runs perfect, man. Perfect car. No smoke. Hear that thing, man. You'll have the fastest street ride around. Alright, well, hold on one moment. I'll be right back with you. I'm going to go ahead and put the top on the top on here. And I'll be right back. Give me about 2-3 minutes. And I'm going to put the damn hood back on the vehicle, and I'll be right back with you folks. Alright, one moment. Alright folks, I am back. There's a hood on the vehicle. Alright. Take it for a little test drive here. You know, I do love this car though. Probably the nicest Dart I've seen around, especially for the price. You're not going to find a cheaper car for this price around $8,000. If you do, call me because I'd like to buy it myself. Because I'm selling this because I just need the money. But as you can tell, down in the first, we're driving along. all shifts. Obviously, if you lower it down, it's going to go down and chirp the wheels a little bit like it did there. Obviously, it shifts good. As you can tell, it shifts perfect. Down a little bit there. But no problems. I want to shift it. Shift again. Tranny's perfect. Brand new racing trans, 3-speed. Nice vehicle. Nice tranny. I mean, obviously you can tell. You watch me every time I shift the shift. Shift. It's like a power glide, but with the third gear. 12 volt, 373 rear end. Fiberglass hood. And obviously you can leave it, I mean, it's a fat, nice car, man. Still handles corners like a champ. And you just can leave it, and you can just leave it in drive too, and just drive normal, you know. No problems with the tranny. Temperature gauge never stays over 150. No problems with the engine. Brand new Holley 4-barrel, 4-bolt main, 750 carburetor, sorry. This put on yesterday, even though I have the original one, they'll come with you. I put that one on a little more horsepower so I can be pushing about at least 375 out of the rear wheels, 350 out of the rear wheels, probably realistic. Maybe a little less. Never had a dyno tested, but it does do 130, 9.6 1/4 miles. But taking a little tour spin around the town here, so you guys kind of know. Obviously, it doesn't get any hotter than this. Tranny runs good. You've seen the motor. My name's Nick. I want to let it go for $8,000. You can go ahead and buy that on eBay. Pay me in PayPal in full, and I'll ship it to you in 3 days for $650 bucks. Give me a call so you can be like this, man. Give me a call, 407-230-0017. I can ship it to you for $655 to your door in 3 days. Thanks, have a good day.